Hello, welcome back to Fixin' It. And today we're gonna put a rear spoiler on a 2018 Q50. Hi guys, I just got this wing for my Q50. It's the 2018 Q50 rear spoiler. Comes already painted. But when I was reading the reviews, there was a couple of bad reviews because they say it doesn't come with hardware or instructions, which is true. So I'm just gonna show you like what to do with this. So just get some mounting tape. This is like 3M stuff. Got it from Lowe's. And you're gonna rub this down with some alcohol first before you try to mount this. This came with got some holes there that you could actually drill through the trunk lid and try to mount this by bolting it on. I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to drill anything through my car, so. But that's it. So the first thing you got to do is just grab some rubbing alcohol. Just wipe it in before you use this tape. Here we are. We got our tape. We have. Let's make sure you get all the bubbles out of this. Anyway, this is only going to go on one way. So you can see that's not the way. Flip it. Just like that. Alright. Now before you put this on, you want to make sure you rub this with alcohol, get all the dirt, all the wax off the car, and then you're going to mount this on. Okay, so let's do that. So now we're back to this. You're going to center it where you want it. Make sure you got like this. You can eyeball it, you know. Right. So I'm just going to put a little piece of tape to mark where I want it. And then the other side. Double check your sides. Make sure you're good. Alright. What you want to do is you want to peel off enough where you're going to leave some tabs like that. Okay? You don't want to do the whole thing. So mount it where you want it. Okay. Double check again. Alright. Just press a little bit, and then what you do is you want to pull this back. Pull the bottom. Pull this side. Pull this side. Okay, and as you go along, okay, I wouldn't push it back down first, and make sure you undo it. Okay, take off all the tape, all this crap, and then you press it down. Okay. Alright guys, this is it, the finished product. So it's not bad for 70 bucks. And I hope this helped you out and saved you some money. Take care.